Hello and welcome back everyone. This is week 25 of our 30-day Python series, and today we are diving into some super useful and slightly advanced NumPy functions. So let's get into our Jupyter notebook now. Yes, first let us import NumPy as NP. Okay, here we go. Let us run here. Then after that, let's start with our first function, that is nditer. Hashtag nditer function. Okay, enter. So now what is this nditer function? So it is an efficient multi-dimensional iterator object using which it is possible to iterate over an array. So we can say it is used to iterate efficiently over a NumPy array regardless of its dimensionality. Okay. So first let me write on the definition for you. It is an efficient multi-dimensional iterator object using which which it is possible to iterate over an array. Okay. So here let us perform some operation here. What are we gonna do here is, so arr equals np dot array, open the bracket, square bracket. Now I'm giving here in the two-dimensional array here. Okay, that is 1 comma 2. Close this bracket. Come on, now open it again. 3 comma 4. Close the two brackets. Now close parenthesis here. Now for x in np dot dter. Okay, np dot ndeter. All right. So, and I'm calling that array my variable name. Okay. Then give a colon here. Enter. Print x. So here we go. We got the output here. Okay. All right. So this is how the nditer works at here. Now let us move on to our next thing here, that is ndenumerate function. So hashtag ndenumerate. Okay. Function. Enter. So here, why are we using this ndenumerate function? It's nothing but it is used to extract the index number and extract the array list. So here it is used to extract the index number and extract the array list. Enter. So now let us perform some practice problem here. All right. So we can say in a simple words, it helps you to iterate and also get the index of each element. Okay. So arr equals np dot array. Open the bracket. So now here two dimensional 10 comma 20. Close the bracket, comma 30, 30, comma 40. Okay, now close the parenthesis here, friend. So now here iterate, right? So for loop I'm using for idx, for idx comma value. So this is the variable I'm giving here because I'm using a two dimensional here. Okay, so that's the reason index comma val I'm giving here n np dot ndenumerate. Okay, array arr, give it a colon, enter, print. This is the format. Okay, f index index. Then here open the bracket. I'm calling that idx here. Okay, close the flower bracket. Then I'm calling my value 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 colon, and here the val. Okay, and the brackets. Now close this double quotes, and here we can close the parenthesis. Let us run. So here we go. The index value for the 10 here is value 10 is 0 comma 0. Index value for 20 0 comma 1, and index value 30 here we have 1 comma 0. Index value for 41 comma 1. We got it here. Okay. Now here we are moving to our next function, that is copy vs view in NumPy. Hashtag copy vs view in NumPy. Enter. So here this copy, it creates a new array. View, it's nothing but it shares the data of the original array. For example, here we can give it hashtag. So I'm writing it for the copy. Copy. It creates the new array. Okay. Now hashtag for a view. View, it shares the data of the original array. Okay. So now enter here. Then after that, here let us perform some operations. E equals np dot array, open the bracket, square bracket 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. We give it here. Okay, close bracket. Then enter. B equals a dot copy. Okay, so this is the function, copy function. Then again C equals a dot view. All right. Now a of 0 equals 100. Now let us print here. Print original comma a comma copy comma b comma b comma then view view. Okay, comma c. Now close the bracket here. All right, then let us run here. So we got it. So the copy, so here see we got a of 0 is 100, right? So in the a we got 100, 2 comma 3 in place of 0, indexing 0, we got the value as 100. Okay, 2 comma 3 comma 4, this is our original. Then the copy 1 2 3 4, and the view 100 comma 2 3 2 comma 3 comma 4 here, 2 3 4. We got it. So this is the output. This is how the copy and the view function works. We have a joining arrays. Okay, hashtag joining arrays. Enter. So joining arrays joins along existing axis. We can say we'll be using here concatenate. Concatenate. Okay. So here it joins along existing axis. Enter. So here E equals np dot array 1 comma 2 comma 2. Okay. And here b equals np dot array 3 comma 4, close the bracket, enter. Now here I'm gonna print np dot concatenate. Okay. And here a comma v. Now here we go, close it. Only integer scalar array has been converted to the scalar index. So why is it happening here? Okay. So here we go. We got the output here. Okay. So np dot concatenate and we got the output as 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to join this a and a b here using concatenate function. Now here we have a hash head stack. Okay. Hashtag h stack. Okay. What does this head stack? It means it joins horizontally. Joins horizontally. Okay. Then enter. Here we write it hashtag vstack. Okay. Here it joins vertically. Enter. Then here we write it down hashtag dstack. Joins depth wise. Depth wise. Okay. Now let us perform some operation here on this three joins. So if you want to join horizontally, we'll be using head stack. If you want to join vertically, we are using a Y stack. If you join like depth wise, we will be using a D stack here. Okay. So enter A equals np dot array, open the bracket. In the bracket, I'm giving here 1 comma 2. Okay, like we'll give it only 1 here. Okay, 1 comma and here 2. Okay, close the bracket, enter here. Then b equals np dot array and here 3 comma 4. Now here we're gonna give it print np dot h stack a comma b. Enter. Print np dot vstack. Okay. Then here a comma b. Enter. Then print np dot dstack a comma b. All right. So here we go. Let us run. So here we got it. So see here np means head stack means horizontally. Okay. V stack means vertically, and the depth wise. D stack means depth wise here. Okay. So now here we have a next function, that is our split function. Hashtag split function. Enter. So split arrays. See this split function split the arrays into multiple parts. Okay. Hashtag split arrays into multiple parts. Enter. Then here we have it. Arr equals np dot array, open the brackets. Here we have 10 comma 20 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50 comma 60. Okay, close the bracket, close here. Then after that we'll be giving it a print np dot split arr comma 3, and let me close that bracket here. Okay, here we go. So it will split the array. So you can see the array has been splitted here. Okay. Then we have a search in arrays. So hashtag search in arrays. Okay. So the search in arrays, we have a where here. Okay. So hashtag where. So this function finds indices, finds in the indices where condition is true. Okay. And here we go. Let's perform the operation here. Arr equals np dot array scores, open the bracket. So 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay. Enter here. Then I'll be giving it a print np dot where r is greater than 2. So here we go. We got the output array. So that is integer 6, integer 64. Data type is integer 64. We got it. Okay. And where we have given array is greater than 2. So 2 comma 3, we got it array. Search sorted. Hashtag search sorted. Okay. Sorted, we can say. Search sorted. This is a function. So this search sorted finds insertion point for maintaining sorted order. Okay. Arr equals np dot array bracket 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma. Okay. Here we go. Enter. Print np dot search sorted. Okay. Arr comma 25. So here we go. We all got the output here. Okay, that is 2. The search sorted, it is used to find the index value where the new element should be inserted. So in the sorted array. Okay, and the order of an array be preserved. All right. So next we have a sort arrays. Hashtag sort arrays. Enter. So the sort arrays, it helps to np dot sort for it sorts for any dimensional array. Okay. So sorting means putting elements in a ordered sequence. Sort array. So here we can write it down. Sorting means putting an elements in an ordered sequence, enter. Okay, and here we go. So now we'll be sorting it with one dimensional array, two dimensional array, and three dimensional array. Okay, yeah, here we go. So here print np dot sort, it will sort it. So like 12, 14, 15, 20. See, it will sort it in the ordered sequence after 12, 14, 15, 20, 45, and 67. So that is a one dimensional array we have done in the sort. Here we have a, we are going to do it in the two dimensional array. This is the one way of sorting the values. Okay, now let me just show you another way. So directly I'll print np dot sort. Okay, np dot sort, and here I'm creating an array, np dot array, open the brackets. So I'm creating a two arrays. All right, so that is 3 comma 2, close the bracket, comma 1 comma 4 comma 4. I'm giving it here, close the two arrays, and here 1, 2, and 3. Okay, 3 brackets. So here we go, we got the output as 2 comma 3, 1 comma 4. It will sort it in the two dimensional. So right now I had given 3 comma 4. Okay, here if I give it here 7, so here 4 comma 7. The same thing we can do it in the three dimensional. Let's copy paste this, control C, control V, and here instead of this we have to give a values, like we have to increase the brackets here, 3 brackets. Okay, here we go, we got the output. So this is the three dimensional array we have done in the sorting in three dimensional array. That's wrap for day 25. Today we have covered a wide range of powerful NumPy functions that are key for working with large data set efficiently. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss the final 5 days of the series. So just can you comment down below which NumPy functions did you use for the first time today? Okay, so bye bye, take care.